हेलो एंड वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। चिल्ड्रन, आज की वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आज मैं जो टॉपिक लेने जा रही हूँ वो आपके एग्जाम में वैसा उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते ही आते हैं और वो है असर्शन एंड रीजनिंग। और वो क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आप लोगों को समझने में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आती है क्योंकि कुछ बच्चों को नहीं मालूम होता असर्शन क्या है, रीजनिंग क्या है। कई बार आपका इन्फर भी आता है स्टेटमेंट दैट दिस कैन बी इन्फर्ड और नॉट। वो सब चीजें आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी विद एग्जांपल्स, इसलिए आप बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे चिल्ड्रन और पूरा वीडियो देखेंगे। छोटा सा ही वीडियो है, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। ये क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन आपके मेनली एक्सट्रैक्ट्स में आते हैं। सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि असर्शन, रीजन और इन्फर का मीनिंग क्या है। चिल्ड्रन, असर्शन इज अ स्टेटमेंट दैट इज ट्रू, इज अ फैक्ट। जो चैप्टर में है वैसा का वैसा ही है, मीन्स वो स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है, हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते, इट कैनॉट बी चेंज। रीजनिंग क्या है चिल्ड्रन? इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट। आपको चिल्ड्रन दो स्टेटमेंट दिए होंगे, एक असर्शन का और एक रीजनिंग का। इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट यू थिंक इज लॉजिकली करेक्ट एंड सपोर्ट्स द असर्शन। जो ऊपर आपको पहले असर्शन में स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है वो उसको सपोर्ट करता है या नहीं करता है, लेकिन शुड बी लॉजिकली करेक्ट। अब आते हैं इन्फर पे। To form an opinion that something is true based on the information you have means whether you can understand the thing well or not, whether you can deduce the correct meaning from the given statements or not. That is called to infer a certain thing. Let me take some examples, children. See the first one. This is an example from the chapter The Rat Trap. Assertion mein the statement is Adler was very kind and compassionate towards the peddler. Reason: peddler accepted the fur coat which the valet handed him with a deep bow. Now the options are both A and R. A and R means children assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Second is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Third, A is true, R is false. Then last is A is false and R is true. Children, if we see both the statements, Adler was very kind, that was the reason he accepted the invitation and he accepted the fur coat. So, which option is correct, children? I think it is option B. Correct? Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next example is from the poem My Mother at 66. Assertion: the poet drives away the thought of her mother getting old quickly. Reason: the poet didn't want to confront the inevitability of fate that was to dawn upon her mother. Now the options are assertion can be inferred, but the reason cannot be inferred. Assertion cannot be inferred, but reason can be inferred. Both assertion and reason can be inferred. Both assertion and reason cannot be inferred. We have to choose the correct option, children. Now, children, what is the meaning of the reason statement? The poet didn't want to confront the inevitability of fate. It means the poet did not want to believe this fact that her mother would die as she was aging. It means both the statements actually mean the same, assertion and reason. So, the correct answer is both assertion and reason can be inferred. They both can be understood. Correct meaning can be deduced from both the statements. Children, इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको दोनों statements को समझने के लिए किसी और additional fact की जरूरत नहीं है. Both the statements are enough to be understood. Okay, children? Now, children, here is one more example. This is from the chapter Going Places. Sophie's friend Jancy is more realistic and practical. Assertion statement. Reason: Jancy tries to make Sophie understand that they were made to work in a biscuit factory, the harsh reality of life for them. Now the options are both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. Now children, if we see both the statements, obviously reason is the correct explanation of A. Sophie's friend Jancy is realistic. We have read in the chapter that she was a practical girl. And she told Sophie that they both were made to work in a biscuit factory and not to think of, being a fashion designer or an actress. Okay, she told her that she should think that they did not have enough money to do all these things. So, reason is the correct explanation of the assertion statement. So, both are true. Okay, children? With reference to the chapter, both statements are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option A is the correct answer. I hope, children, now assertion, reasoning and infer, all these statements are clear to you and you can attempt the questions well in the paper. I know you all have practiced very hard and you will do well in the paper. All the very best, children. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.